Aisley. 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 What are you doing? Say Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas. Someone got up way early this morning. 5:30. Now you need to go wake up Daddy. Go say, hey Daddy, come on. Go say, hey Daddy, come on. Can you go tell Daddy? Say, come on. Let's go open some presents. Come on. In here, sister. In here. Come in here. Go get Daddy. Go get Daddy. Come on. Go get Daddy. What do you see? Huh? Is there stuff in your stocking? Did Santa come put stuff in your stocking? Huh? Oh, there's stuff in your stockings. Willie even got toys too. Sissy, come on. Come on, sis. Let's go get Daddy. Come on. Come on, Sissy. Come on. Still have the tag in my pajamas. Come on. Let's go get Daddy. Somebody ran out of wrapping paper last night, huh? Uh-huh. All the pretty presents. Are you ready to open some presents? Huh? Oh, she's gonna move the whole thing. Okay, go get Daddy. Okay, come on. Let's go. Let's go get Daddy. Let's go get Daddy. Where's Daddy? Huh? Where's Daddy? We'll go get Daddy. To be continued.